Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be doing now. I'm gonna be using cheddar cheese soup.
Chef Cheryl Tate's favorite question is what's for dinner? Because she enjoys preparing the answers.
Today we have meatloaf. We also have mac and cheese. We also have shepherd's pie. We also have greens, standard greens. I used mustard and collard, and we have cornbread, wonderful, and we made a peach cobbler.
It's home cooking by Chef Cheryl. She brings the food and flavor to your kitchen, cooking to your preferences.
And again, we all need to be eating well, and we all need to know how to eat well. But for that busy person who doesn't have any of that, any clue like that, I can definitely come in and help you with that.
I don't know if you guys know, but I make a wonderful herb paste.
Cheryl is a personal chef trained at Le Cordon Bleu School of Culinary Arts.
I offer private cooking classes as well as in-home preparation. And I also do intimate catering. So I like the small events.
Even with professional credentials, cooking and hospitality are in Chef Cheryl's DNA.
I am a fourth generation food service professional. My father, uncles, grandfather, and great grandfather were all Pullman porters.
And they're the ones who are gonna sing.
I'm led by Spirit. Okay, so Spirit told me that you're a nurturer. That's where I come from. That's what my background is.
In fact, her business is called Nurturing Chefs.
Having someone come in and cook, or just having someone in the kitchen cooking, is therapy for really the whole house. I find that when I come in households and I come in and I cook, you know, the tension goes down. You know, it's not as stressful, you know, because they're going to reach in their they're going to reach in their refrigerator and they're going to get the food that they want when they want it.
Chef Cheryl caters to her clients' taste buds while choosing the healthiest ingredients.
So we tailor the menu to their specifics. And at the same time, keeping it healthy. You know, I'm never going to use pork unless you tell me. I probably won't use beef unless you tell me. I will use ground chicken. I will do the healthiest thing first until you tell me different.
Cheryl has spent years as a private chef and caterer in Southern California and stays active in the community, working with seniors in different organizations.
We understand that food is medicine. You know, before there was any type of pharmaceutical, we knew what to go outside and get. You know what I'm saying? In Africa, they knew which herbs and which roots, and even in the South, we all knew what roots to do. So if you can combine that with cooking and making sure that the food is good, and it is cooked intentionally, because I always pray when I work, you know, over my clients and everything, but that adds to the medicine. That adds to the healing. One of my core clients are seniors, and some of them can't get out, you know, so just to have someone in the kitchen, someone cooking in the kitchen what they want, you know, that's therapy to them too, you know. And definitely busy mothers, you know, who can afford me, you know, they're usually married, children, you know. The children are so much better, you know. Dad is so much better. You know what I'm saying? I could see them eating at the table. They didn't have to worry about, oh, did it get, you know, is it ready? Is it what? No, it's on the table. And they're so happy.
Now, Chef Cheryl is branching out, taking her culinary talents to Ohio.
Just being in another place is wonderful. But I haven't met a person from Ohio I didn't like. Okay? I just really haven't. And it seems like Spirit is leading people to me, because every fifth person that I talk to, third or fifth person, they go, I'm from Ohio. I got family from there. So I'm like, okay, so they're hungry. I tell people, just give me 9 months. And I'll change your life. That's why I say I'm a game changer. I'm a game changer and I'm a lifesaver. Because one, you're going to get good food. You're going to get good food. It's going to be prepared with love, with intention. And, you know, that's what we need. That's kind of what's missing in the world right now. You know, it's on short supply.